Hello everyone and welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to use Find My iPhone to track your lost or stolen iOS device. To start, open the Find My application in your mobile device. On the application, tap on Devices on the lower left. Now select your very own device, and then in here, you will have the option to play sound, or the directions to where it is. And also, it should also have notifications. When you turn this on, it will notify when found. And then in here, you can choose Mark as Lost, or you can also reset the device, so you can delete all the files over there. If you select Play Sound, your iOS device will then play a sound so that there will be an alert opening. If you select Directions, it will show you directions from where you are to where your device has been. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.